Okay, I'm still waiting on my clutch plates. I think they're supposed to be here tomorrow, but before I do that, I just wanted to go over a couple things here. I went over the pressure plate there. So your pressure plate's going to fit down over top of there like that. And, your spring needs to line up with that stuff. Spring's going to fit down on there. And then that is your L. That's that little L-shaped ring there. It sits on top of the pressure plate. And then, of course, your clip's going to go down in there. And the little fingers on the clutch hubs themselves is what holds that in there. You can press that down far enough, it's going to drop. And go in there where this clip goes in here. Pretty self-explanatory. The clip has to go in these little grooves right here. So you need to give these things good inspection. That's one of the reasons you don't try and over tighten the spring compressor, because it'll rip these out of here basically, and you got to buy a new pressure plate. They use this style clutch on big twins from like 90, I want to say 90 to 97, and from 91 to 91 and up Sportsters, and on Buells till 03 or 04, I think. So it fits a lot. So your clutch plates are the same between the big twin and the Sportsters on this style of clutch, which works out good. A lot of them out there, a lot of manufacturers. That I am going to have to smooth out some of the splines on this outer side of the clutch shell here, because the plates aren't sliding in there nice and easy, and it's going to be probably down right about here in the middle where that rivets came out. Is about right there, slightly lower than that. So we'll have to go in there and smooth all those out before I try to put clutch plates in there, because I had a hell of a time. These ones here came out, but once you got down there right in the middle, pretty much they're really hard to come out, meaning it's got fur in it where the rivet came out and scarred it up. So we'll have to smooth those out, but that's about it for this one. Just a little short thing on the way that thing goes back together, and I'm sure I'll do another one once I actually get the clutch in there. And I'll probably do a little short video of cleaning this shell up. I'm not doing it today, but I might do it later today. I don't know. Anyway, that's it for this one. Hope everybody has a fine week coming up. And take care. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for everything. Appreciate it. Really do.